In this video, we will show you how to properly fit the Corflex Cryo Pneumatic shoulder with gel. You will start by placing the already cold gel into the sling or to the brace. Next, you will place on patient's shoulder, starting with the first bicep cuff, tighten, and come to the second bicep cuff. Next, you will come around, just across the chest. For compression, we use the pump. Patient can pump to their desired compression. If it needs to be removed, all you do is come to the off position. This can be removed. To reapply, twist it back on, place to the on position. To release the compression, hit the button. Now the patient can remove. Gel can be removed to take out to place back in the freezer for additional cold therapy.